Do you remember the stress that we confront during our exams? High levels of anxiety, feeling of nervousness, and experiencing exam phobia is something that we all have witnessed before stepping into examination halls. But a little support from your guardians provides a sigh of relief. To encourage students to take exams in a positive manner, the 4th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021 is back. Students from all over the country have an opportunity to interact with the Prime Minister directly and discuss their concerns or anxiety regarding the upcoming examinations. Over 10 lakh students have registered to interact with PM Narendra Modi in Pariksha Pe Charcha 2021. It is an interactive event where India's PM will be interacting with lakhs of students, parents and teachers from various cross sections.
आप बोझ लेकर के अगर एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में गए हैं तो सारे प्रयोग बेकार जाते हैं। आत्मविश्वास लेकर के जाना है। जितना आत्मविश्वास भरा हुआ होगा आप बहुत सरल।
The event will be completely online this year and will be open to students from all over the world. Pariksha Pe Charcha started in the year 2018 and since then the result of students has improved at a tremendous pace. Let us know how it has actually helped in their transformation. Here is a video where a school student is narrating about his experience regarding Pariksha Pe Charcha.
Pariksha Pe Charcha, I think it is the first platform where we could interact with the Prime Minister directly. It has taught me to dream big and enjoy small achievements. My stress is very much reduced when I heard the tips given by the Prime Minister. My most favorite one is when Prime Minister said that we should de-stress ourselves by playing for at least 1 hour daily. And I am eagerly looking for upcoming sessions on Pariksha Pe Charcha.
Pariksha Pe Charcha is a part of the larger movement, Exam Warriors, to create a stress-free atmosphere for youngsters.
आप लोग टेंशन में है क्या? देखिए, एक तो भूल जाइए कि आप किसी प्रधानमंत्री के साथ बात कर रहे हैं। ये पक्का कर लीजिए कि मैं आपका दोस्त हूं।
It is an effort to bring together students, parents, teachers and the society to foster an environment where the unique individuality of each child is celebrated, encouraged and allowed to express itself fully. Inspiring this movement is Prime Minister Narendra Modi's path-breaking best-selling book, Exam Warriors. It outlined a refreshing approach to education. Here, knowledge and holistic development of students are given primary importance. The Prime Minister urges everyone to put exams in the right perspective, rather than making it a life and death situation, punctuated by undue stress and pressure. This is the 4th edition of Pariksha Pe Charcha. See how PM Modi has guided the students in the previous versions of interaction.
मेरा नाम रोहित श्री है। मैं केरला का रहने वाला हूँ और मैं अभी दिल्ली में यूपीएससी की तैयारी कर रहा हूँ। महोदय, हमारे पेरेंट्स और हमारे टीचर्स का हमारे ऊपर कुछ ज़्यादा ही उम्मीद रहती है, जिसकी वजह से हमारे ऊपर बहुत प्रेशर भी रहता है। महोदय, मुझे लगता है आपका भी हाल कुछ हमारे जैसा है। देशवासियों को आपसे कुछ अधिक ही अपेक्षाएं हैं। प्रधानमंत्री जी, आप हमें बताइए, आप इस एक्सपेक्टेशंस के साथ कैसे डील करते हैं और हम इसके साथ कैसे डील करें? धन्यवाद।
आप में से बहुतों को जब 10वीं या 12वीं कक्षा में जाते होंगे या फाइनल एग्जाम होगा, किसी को दिन में 10 बार सुनना पड़ता है, समझ नहीं आता है। दोस्तों के साथ टेलीफोन पे बैठे रहो, चलो कंप्यूटर छोड़ो, कुछ पढ़ाई करो। क्या ये परीक्षा जिंदगी की परीक्षा है क्या, कि उस क्लास की परीक्षा है? अगर एक बार मन में तय करे कि ये एग्जाम 10वीं कक्षा की है, ये एग्जाम 12वीं कक्षा की है, ये मेरी जिंदगी का कसौटी नहीं है, अगर इतना से हम सोच लें तो हमारा जो भार है, बोझ है, वो भी कम हो जाएगा और शायद उस एक काम के लिए हमारा फोकस बढ़ जाएगा। अभी नहीं तो कभी नहीं, ये जो कुछ कहते हैं ना भाई, अब 10वीं में गया तो सब बेकार, जिंदगी पूरी, ऐसा कुछ नहीं है। परीक्षा के गलियारे से ही निकली हुई जिंदगी होती, ऐसा नहीं है। उसके भार भी बहुत बड़े।
Pariksha Pe Charcha is a people's platform where anyone can submit their queries online. It involves several activities, both for students and parents. This year, the theme for students is Exams are like festivals, celebrate them. India is incredible, travel and explore. As one journey ends, another begins. Aspire, not to be, but to do, and be grateful. Theme for parents is Your words can make your child's world. Encourage, as you have always done. Be your child's friend and keep depression away. For teachers, this session will emphasize on online education system, its benefits and how it can be improved further. Let's watch a video to see how Pariksha Pe Charcha has provided wings to a student's imagination.
Pariksha Pe Charcha is a very good platform. After attending the session, I felt so motivated and now I have started focusing on knowledge instead of marks. I think this is a very good opportunity that we are getting the chance to interact with our country's Prime Minister. This interaction has taught me that exams are not our life, they are just a part of our life. We have to study hard, gather more and more knowledge, and marks is not our real concern.
Union Education Minister Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank apprised that the interaction with the students from classes 9 to 12 ahead of their examinations will be held in March. This event focuses not only on textual education, but it also talks about the education that can help in nurturing the moral values in a person. Here is another experience shared by a student about the event.
This interaction is an extremely important initiative by PM. Whenever I get involved into the discussion, all my stress goes away. I feel so much motivated that how PM Modi expresses and understands our problems and give us accessible solutions. This discussion really makes me enthusiastic.
This event is again organized on popular demand, which is quite apparent from the increase in the number of registrations from 2.6 lakh to 10 lakh. This mega event has the capacity to empower, motivate and transform visions into reality. It is rightly said that one voice can change the room.
जीवन को बनने के सपनों से जोड़ने के बजाय कुछ करने के सपनों से जोड़ना चाहिए।